So we invest in every client. Most realtors, they will sign the listing, they'll put a sign in the front, they'll pray that it sells. We actually invest between our staging crew, cleaning company like you, getting the pro in there, making sure it shows at an extremely high level. If we have to paint anything, make some repairs, whatever, and staging, videography, we do it all. On any particular house, we could be invested from $1,000 somewhere up to sometimes $5,000 to make sure this house sells. Because it's like I tell clients, at the end of the day, it's not your home anymore, it's a house. More importantly, it's a product. And that product needs to look better than the other product that it's competing against. Because Stephanie and I at the RoPax Group sell about 100 homes a year, we definitely have I'll call it just a bag of tricks that we have to do to be able to get our homes sold for the most amount possible in the least amount of time. And many times someone doesn't feel that the investment in their home on the front end is going to pay dividends on the back end. I break it down this way. When a buyer walks into a home, if they see a hole in the wall, well, we know that hole in the wall might cost about $75 to fix. Well, to a buyer, it's $500 or $1,000. So you could imagine if the carpet's in poor condition, if the floors are dirty, the baseboards are dirty, the appliances look good. Every time buyers see those things, the price point in their mind just continues to go down. So we literally have hundreds of transactions that we could say, hey, look, this house was in this condition, but we did this, 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 and this, and we were able to sell at this price. So, we can prove that our numbers work, and doing the work on the front end will pay dividends on the back end. Well, at the RoPax Group, we're at a level of our business where we have to rely on our vendors, because our vendors, they're an extension of us. So our clients look to us for excellence. Well, I look to excellence of my vendors. Yeah. And with your company, with Defy, I make a call, it gets done, and I don't have to check up on you. I don't have to worry about you. I just know it's getting done the right way, period. Yeah. So thank you for that.
You're very welcome, and we appreciate the business. And my whole thing is that I know we're not for everybody. It's like we'll go out and do a bid for people, and this is South Texas.
We're not for we're not for everyone either. I mean, it just is what it is. So.
Yeah, and you know what? Everybody wants that discounted rate. Yeah. Everybody wants max amount of service for this amount of pay, and the reality is it doesn't work that way. Yeah. And so. I'm happy that we're able to perform for you and know that I'll never forget, there was one time I think you called me and I was in St. Louis. Yeah. And then you said, hey, can you get to X, Y, and Z? Right. And I'm like, okay. And then we get there, and then I get a call that says, hey, there's no running water in this place. Know. And I'm like, how?
I forgot about that. But you made it happen.
Yes, that's right.
You made it happen.
Yeah. So I'm sitting here going, okay, so I'll never forget, I was on the phone. I'm like, okay, so is there a spigot? Is there something next door? I'm just going down the gamut of everything like that.
I forgot about that. So thank you for that, because most people will just say there's no running water, we can't service you, we're out. Yeah. That's the typical experience that someone has, almost that I'm used to. Yeah. So, you guys problem solved, and that's what we are as business owners. Yeah. We solve problems. Yeah. And so that problem presented itself, you pivoted, and you were able to knock it out, and by the way, that one just closed a couple days ago.
Congratulations. Yeah, I'll never forget it. Like, can you get there, tonight? I'm in St. Louis.
No pressure.